As you know that I have already generated my audio with the help of Windows Filmora 9 Wondershare software. I am playing the audio in front of you so you can get the better idea about it. Hello, this is Sayyid Umaid Ahmad and today I am solving the assignment for advanced digital signal processing. Thank you. So this is the audio and I am going to the website and I want to convert this audio to WAV file. So it is asking me for dropping the file. So I am going towards my tab and changing this dropping this file here, and I want to change the bit resolution to 16 bit, the sampling rate to 48 kilohertz, the audio channel should be mono, and I don't want to trim my audio. Now I am starting the conversion. So the conversion has been started and you can see I have my wave file as the adsp.wave. It is in the process of downloading. So let me see it. The wave file is ready and I am pasting this wave file in my real platform where I have to apply FFT on it. So the wave file is here. The name is PyFFT. Now I am moving towards the command prompt. The first I want to digitalize. The first thing is that I want to digitalize my audio. So I am writing here plot wave, all with the help of Python. After that I am writing adsp.wave. After I am writing the 16-bit channels. Now I am pressing enter and it will plot the digitalized form of my recorded wave. So you can see this is my audio printed in front of you, and now you can see the digitalized version. The second part of my assignment is to plot the frequency spectrogram of my voice. So I am converting it into a frequency spectrogram. For frequency spectrogram I am writing FFT plot, and I have written FFT plot wave, and I am again providing of my wave file adsp.wave. Then I am writing the data type, the 16-bit mono channel. Now I am plotting the frequency spectrogram of my recorded voice. So the frequency spectrogram of my voice has been plotted. The name of the wave file is adsp.wave. So I have plotted the frequency spectrogram of my voice. Now the next step of my tutorial is to find which of the guy in our group has the highest frequency. So let me close it and move towards another code. This code is very helpful and we have developed this code in Python. This code will save all the frequency spectrogram discrete components. Discrete means on similar point you have another value. So we will create a discrete data set automatically of our wave file. So I am writing a very important, a very interesting script about that. Analyze FFT. So we have converted we have converted our voice in frequency spectrogram. Now what we are doing, we are producing a discrete data set of our voice. So I am writing again adsp.wave, then telling it the data type. So FFT analyze.py. Now it will generate a CSV file. So the fundamental frequencies and the data set are plotted. Now let me move towards the data folder. Sorry, let me move towards the processed folder. It has told us that the file has been saved in fundamental frequency samples folder. Sorry. So I am in the samples folder. These are the data set of my frequency spectrogram, and we can see all the things. So I can use a line graph to plot the frequency of my voice. So there are different types of graph available, and I am moving towards this 2D line graph. So I have plotted the discrete data set of the frequency of my voice, and you can see we all three people can plot our frequencies and compare individually that which guy has the highest or the different frequency. That's all towards from my side, and we can do a lot of things with it. And I can also show you the Excel file of the fundamental frequencies of all of the pupils. So we can also plot a line graph of our fundamental frequencies as well. So let me plot a line graph of the fundamental frequency so we can see the fundamental frequency as well. Thank you. That's all from